loves, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to show y'all how to do a simple bun and bang. I'm going to show y'all 3 bang styles that y'all can do. So let's get started. So I'm just taking out these braids that I had. I detangled my hair. Y'all might see some white particles in my hair. That's just from products that I had mixed that didn't mix well. I tried to rinse it out, but I guess I didn't get it all. Right now I'm just taking a comb and I'm going to part my hair for my bang. And then I'm just going to section this part out and work on my ponytail. Using my Miel oil. Y'all know I love that oil if you watched my last video. If you haven't, go ahead and watch that. I'm going to massage that into my scalp, my edges, my edges, all of that. I'm just taking some Alicate Naturals leave-in and applying that to my hair. Then I'm going to start to form my bun. I'm taking my Eco and I'm just going to apply that to the perimeter of my hair. Now I'm just taking a bristle brush and I'm going to start to brush around my hair. I want everything to be nice and sleek and smooth. And I'm going to use that Curls Edge Control. I do this for extra hold. And then I'm going to add some more of that Miel oil on top. So here you see me forming my ponytail, and I'm going to take that bristle brush again and I'm going to start to brush my hair up into the ponytail. I want to get all the little strands, all the bumps, and just smooth everything out and put it into my ponytail. And then I'm going to tie my head with an elastic. I wrapped it around 3 times. So now I'm going in with that leave-in again and I'm just going to apply that to the ponytail. And y'all, we're gonna make a struggle bun. The day that my hair is long enough for me to do a bun without any struggles, it's over for you hoes. So now I'm just adding 5 million bobby pins to get the little loose hairs that keep coming out, y'all. Like I said, struggle. I did go ahead and add water to that, but I did that off camera. So now I'm just going to take my bang and I'm going to add some Alicate Naturals leave-in. And I'm going to start to part my hair into smaller sections so I can begin to define my curls. Here I'm just using some water and some Eco Styler gel. And I'm going to attempt to do finger coils, but y'all, I got lazy. It was like 2 o'clock in the morning. And I just started to do whatever, so don't be like me. Definitely finger coil or define your curls any way you want. It didn't come out bad though. I'm just gonna let my bang dry for about 25 minutes. And this is my hair about 60% dry. It's still pretty wet. And now I'm just going to take some bobby pins and I'm going to hold my bang down and pin the top of it. I like to do this so as my hair continues to dry, it's not shrinking up too bad and my bang isn't above my eyebrows, y'all, for real, because my shrinkage is that bad. As I wait for my bang to dry, I'm going to do my edges, and I'm just taking a toothbrush and some Eco Styler gel. I just like to swoop them things, you know. I literally always do 2 edges and the little sideburn. I always do that. Here you see me using my bonnet, the inside of my satin bonnet, and I'm just gonna pat my edges. I don't like to go in with a scarf when I have this style because I don't want to mess up my bang. So I just used the inside of my bonnet and pat it down, and she's fine. she's laid. Here I'm just taking out the bobby pins and just shaking my head up. And this is bang style 1. She's cute, she's giving simple, she's giving wash and go. Now on to bang style 2. Bang style 2, I'm simply going to do mini twists. I'm just going to section my hair into smaller parts. And I'm going to add some more water and gel and start to do my twist. I literally do it the same way throughout the entire bang, so I'm just going to fast forward. Okay guys, so this is style number 2, simple, cute. So the last bang style, we are just going to take out these mini twists and fluff out our hair. Here I'm just picking out my roots, and I'm going to go in with some more of that leave-in, and I'm just going to add that to my hair. I do this so it's just not as stiff. And this is style number 3, y'all. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Bye.